The language that customers understand is, what will this product do for me? So one example I put here is, you are selling a book, a sales book, a book on sales, a book that will help businesses crack their sales and become successful at sales. There are two ways you can sell that book. You can say, I have this book I want you to buy. It is a 300-page sales book. So you're talking about your product and you say your product is what? A 300-page sales book. That's one way to sell it. The second way to sell it is to say, I have a book that will help you learn how to quickly grow your sales, how to quickly make more sales and grow your business. One is selling a 300-page sales book. The other is selling the opportunity to learn how to make more sales and grow your business. Which one do you think is more compelling? Nobody, in fact, by selling a 300-page sales book, you are scaring me. I don't have time. I'm under pressure. I need to grow my business. I need to make more sales. And you want to give me punishment. 300 pages. Who has time to read 300 pages? You are discouraging me from buying. You are not even selling to me. You are chasing me away. Because 300 pages looks like work, a lot of work. And I don't want stress. But when you are selling me the opportunity to learn how to make more sales and grow my business, you have my attention. That is something I want. Because it is the answer to my sleepless nights. It is the answer to my headaches. It is the answer to my problems. You are speaking my language. You are telling me what this book can do for me. When you tell me that I can learn how to make more sales and grow my business, even if it is 300 pages, I want to get into it because I know that by the time I'm done with the 300 pages, I will finally be able to make more sales and grow my business. You see the difference? Same book. Two businesses are selling the same book. One is selling a 300-page sales book. The other is selling an opportunity to learn how to make more sales and grow your business. Which one will you go for? So even in the way you sell your product, the way you are communicating it, you may be unknowingly scaring away or intimidating or frustrating the person who wants to buy from you. Because what you are telling them about this product is not what they expect that will be the answer to their problems that they are suffering or the needs that they have or the wants that they have. So remember, focus on what the product does for the person who is buying it and not what the product is. This thing I've said, I still have several examples. You're going to understand it more. So the first major element of an offer, the foundation of an offer, is what? The product or service that you sell. The second element of an offer is a bonus or an add-on. Now, what is a bonus or what is an add-on? This is something that complements the product or service that the person had just bought. If somebody buys a phone, if your business sells phones and somebody buys a phone, if you give the person a phone pouch or a screen protector, that is a bonus. That product complements the product that this person had just bought, right? If somebody buys a consulting service from you and you are telling them, okay, I'm going to give you a free report on something that is related to what you just sold to them, that is a bonus. That is an add-on. It is something, a bonus is something that makes the main product more valuable. You see it now. A bonus should, a good bonus, because some people give bonuses and say, I buy a phone from you, and the bonus you give me is a bucket to fetch water. Yes, I understand you are thanking me for buying the phone, but truly, that bonus is not really relevant if we're thinking in terms of the product, if we're thinking in terms of the thing I just bought. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.